Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Mirza Home Decor, the YouTube channel to our virtual tour of the epimort of aquatic layer, the modern swimming pool. In this video, we live into the realm of contemporary aquatic architecture, where innovative and design blend seamlessly to create an unparalleled swim experience. Step into a world of elegance. Imagine a space where sleek line and minimalist synthetic meet the refreshing shore of water. Our modern swimming pool embodies the essence of modern design physiology, featuring clean edge, a harmonious color palette, and a play of light that dances across the water surface. It's not just a pool, it's a masterpiece of architecture and engineering, seamlessly integrate with nature, nested within lush surrounding. This swim pool embrace the concept of indoor outdoor living. The glass wall dissolve the boundaries between the inside and outside, offering swimmer a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape. While enjoying the pool secrets water where you swim lamp on simply floating the connection to nature in unparalleled. And the swim pool very most beautiful art design and modern are evaluate in the home house outdoor swimming pool design, lighting ideas, and cutting edge technique. Prepare to be amazed by the technological marvel and make the swimming pool stand out. Smart control allow you to adjust water temperature, lighting, ambience, and even the flow of a gentle current for a unique swim experience. The pool shelf cleaning system ensure crystal clear water without the hassle, letting you focus on realization and enjoyment. The ultimate realization zone. It's not just about swimming, it's about unwinding in style. Picture yourself reclining on poolside longer, sipping a refreshing drink and basking in the sunlight. The built-in space jets provide a smoothing hydrotherapy experience, melting away the stresses of the day. The swimming pool is not just a water feature, it is a secondary of layer. Join us on this virtual journey as we take you through every angle of this architectural marvel, from the captivating interest to the secrets underwater world. Whether you and architectural enthusiast or design aficionado on simple someone who appreciate the finer things in life, our exploration of the world swim pool promises to be an inspiring and visual stunning experience. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more captivating content that celebrates the fusion of innovation, design, and the beauty of aquatic living. In this chapter, we explored the harmonious integration of modern swimming pool with their nature surrounding glass wall that dissolve barriers between the interior and exterior infinity edge that blend seamlessly with breathtaking mistake and landscaping that blur the line between pool and environment witness the enchanting marriage for architecture and nature. Prepare to be immersed in the world of wellness. Focused swims pool from secret waterfall and that provides smoothing to hydrotherapy that can provide many to the rejuvenate the mind and body. Discover how modern swimming pool have become a sanctuary of realization. Thanks for watching the video. Mirza Home Decor. Like and subscribe.